Let's take a few minutes and talk about how and why you need to be creating and selling your own digital products. Even if you're a beginner, you need to start. Now, most people will tell you to start with Canva, and I don't have a problem with Canva. I use Canva all the time, but it's not actually what I use to create a very simple digital product that I sell, and also I use as a bonus as an affiliate. But the idea here is Simple Truth Reports, What Really Works in Internet Marketing, Simple Truths Volume 1, the slap in the face, no BS secrets to making money online. And any and all of these digital products are simply just, for example, this What Really Works in Internet Marketing. When someone purchases this, they land here on my page, and this page is called a collection, and I'm going to show you how that works, or the tool that I use here in a second. But simply inside of this, you see that this is the report. This is the cover I created, and they simply just click this link here to download the PDF. That opens up a PDF, and this PDF, again, could be created in Canva, but I don't prefer Canva for creating PDFs. I actually just use Google Docs. And maybe that's just because Google Docs makes sense to me. It's more like what I started off with using Microsoft Word or using that very similar type of software when I started using a computer. So it makes sense to me. They also have some really good templates here in the template gallery. You just simply click here and you can see they have class notes, newsletter, and reports. These would probably be the most, or the ones that you would use the most. But you can see here project proposals, brochures, and different templates here for different types and styles of newsletters. You can just look through real quick, and you can just simply pull in and start creating a digital product. Here you can see some of my truth reports as well as some bonus reports or bonus checklist that I've simply just created here inside of Google Docs. Again, it's very simple. You just lay it out. You start typing. Here I gave some instructions for use for how to use a checklist. I mean, very simple. And you can see here, this is actually an interactive checklist that I could create. I could either share this Google Doc by simply just coming up here and sharing it out and share it with others and give them a read-only copy, or even publish it to the web as a digital product that I could then sell. And then, of course, what I typically do is just download it as a PDF. And then I think, well, how can I actually sell that PDF? That takes me back to what you saw here when I delivered this report. If you were to go back to the home page, I'm going to show you the product that I use to actually create this membership area, or this collection of products that I sell as downloadable PDFs, which are essentially a digital product that I create and sell. I actually create these inside of Product Dino. Here you can see that it has products and collections. I simply click on products. It brings up my list of products that you can see here, but I can also select create new product. Then you can see here I can start with a blank template, and then this product, Product Dino, that is the delivery mechanism, or the hosting, or the membership area, or the download area for the courses that I create, or the digital products. I can create a video course, which means I could create videos and upload or embed videos here, downloadable files like the one you saw, the PDF for that free report. Also, by the way, there's a link in the description. You can grab your own copy of that free report and check it out. But then you also can create an online course, a membership site, support articles, video training portal, video training portal, private podcast, API documentation, lead magnet. They set up these product templates for you to create these right here inside of Product Dino, as well as they have collections, which collections is just what it sounds like. Collections is groups of products. You can scroll down here and I'll actually show you special reports about making money online. When you go inside here, you just simply select the content designer, and inside the content designer, I simply just add the products, and you can see the products here by clicking here to add a product, and then I just select from one of the products that I have created inside of my catalog of products to add to a collection to be sold. And then you can see it creates this very nice, simple, easy to use, which gives me the ability, or easy to use membership area. So when someone purchases or downloads one of my free reports, they then have the chance here. For example, you can see here that there's a buy now button instead of a start button. This gives me the ability to sell my products right here inside of the portal. Someone comes here that has got the free report or bought Simple Truth Volume 1. Then they see here, they're like, oh, I want to check out this report. They click the Buy Now button. It takes them over to the sales page or the URL that I've listed inside of Product Dino, inside of that collection. Then they land here and you see this sales page. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see here the price and then the actual checkout. And this is handled with a product called ThriveCart. Now, ThriveCart is an actual cart that you put your products up for sale. It allows you to create that checkout page. It handles the sale and the processing with your processors, for example, Stripe or PayPal. And then you can list your products for sale here by simply clicking on products. And then, for example, if you want to create a new product, you simply just create product. Here you could sell physical products, but we're focused again on digital products. And I just select create a new product. Now you don't actually create the product here. Again, this is just the checkout page. Again, if you go back to the checkout or the sales page, this sales page was actually created inside of ThriveCart. And then once you scroll down and get to the bottom, when they actually want to check out, this is the checkout part. This is the product that I created where I can sell the product and then people can actually pay me. And again, this is all handled inside of ThriveCart. Here inside of the product creation, you actually set up your product pricing, you set up bump offers, and then here you can see the different processors, Stripe, PayPal, Authorize.net, and then the fulfillment. Here's where you could actually go back and look at using Google to deliver your product or using Google Docs, because what you can do here is you can send them to a URL. If you didn't want to invest in a product like Product Dino that builds out products and collections, you could simply just provide the URL that we looked at earlier when we were looking at a product here that we created inside of Google Docs when we talked about actually downloading the product or sharing the product. What you could do is you can go back to Google Docs, and then once inside of Google Docs, what you can see here is access to Google Drive. Of course, Google Docs and Google Drive, or just like your Gmail account, or when you sign up for Google, you have access to all of that for free. You can see here, these are where the files inside of your Docs are actually stored. You have 15 gig here to create these products. Then you could simply just share this out. Of course, you'd probably want to save this as a PDF. But again, if you didn't want to, if you just wanted to share it, you could grab or copy the link right here. And then once you copy that link, you would deliver that, or the fulfillment inside of ThriveCart after someone purchases it, you would just simply add that in. Then you could set an expiration on the URL or allow it to never expire. And then when someone purchases your product, it would be delivered straight from Google Docs. Again, I prefer Product Dino to build out the collection like you see here, so I can put all of my digital products in one place or build out a collection. And basically what it does, it allows me to give away a free report or sell a report, and then people have the opportunity, or I get the opportunity to present to other people my other digital products with the chance for them to click the Buy Now button. That takes them over to the sales page. Again, that sales page was created inside of ThriveCart. ThriveCart connects to a payment processor, and then I could simply just create the product, the digital product itself. I could create that. It's just a PDF, or I'm sharing out the Google Doc, sharing out that link to that shared document that I created, because a digital product is just that. It's a product that resides in the cloud, or it's a downloadable PDF, or it's a collection of videos that you put inside of Product Dino, inside of a collection where people purchase, they get access to that membership area or that video course. And again, we started out looking at Canva, but I think that a lot of people get caught up in all the things that Canva can do, and they forget that all you need to do is create something of value. For example, a simple report or a publication that gives people solutions to their problems. Again, you saw that simple checklist that I created inside of Google Docs. Then I could just share that out, and then I could share that checklist. I could give it away as a bonus as an affiliate, both in real value, or it gives real value, and it is also high in perceived value because I have taken the time to put together the resource, and then I go through the actual process of selling it or putting a price on it and letting people know that, hey, if you want this product, here is the link, check out, give them a coupon code, something like that, where they go in, they check out, they get it for free, then they download or they access that URL, just like you saw what we did inside of ThriveCart. Now, this is the reason, or how to set up and create your own digital products. And the reason, or the why you should be creating and setting up your own digital products, is because people are looking for solutions to their problems, and you have the answers. All you need to do is put that together into a digital product, set it up for sale, let people know about it, and you are off to the races. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments, and don't forget, link in the description, grab your free report, check out how it works, or go through the process. And then once you have questions after you've been through that process of getting that free report, come back to this video, let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.